Okay, let's see what we got in this video. This time we got a quadratic word problem. A ball is thrown from the top row of the seats in the stadium. We're told its function, h being the height of the ball at any particular time, given time. As they explain here. Time is in seconds, h is in feet, as they say right here. Okay, how long will it take before the ball hits the ground? So when it hits the ground, the height is 0. So basically, we're going to take this equation and we're going to solve it for 0. Now, here's where you could use a quadratic formula, but I recommend you try to simplify this a little bit. For example, I could go ahead and divide this whole thing by 2. So I'm just dividing by 2. Guess what? I can divide actually now by 4. Look at the numbers. So one of the tricks I want you to learn is to simplify, start with small numbers like 2 or 3, and then eventually you'll get numbers that you should be able to recognize. So again, do you agree that 8, 32, and 40 are all 4 times tables? So now I'm going to divide by 4. I'm going to get negative 2t squared plus 8t plus 10. Holy crap, I could divide by another 2. So I'm going to get negative t squared. Here, let me go to another page. So negative t squared plus 4t plus 5 equal to 0. Let me just double check I didn't mess up. Got to watch your signs. But now this is much easier to solve. Again, now I could go to the quadratic formula, or I could try to factor. Now, because of the negative here, I'm now going to times the whole thing by negative 1. So t squared minus 4t minus 5 equals 0, because this will make it easy for me to factor. T times t is t squared. 5 times 1 is 5. To get the minus 4, I need a minus 5 plus 1. And if that equals 0, that means here t must be 5 seconds. Remember, our t is in seconds. Here, t would be negative 1 seconds. But now, this is a real-life problem. Can you have negative time? Can you go back in time? No. So that's why the one and only correct answer is 5 seconds. So again, hopefully the one thing I shared with you to learn, when you're solving for where its height is 0, basically they're saying h is 0, so you solve that. And as you can see, when I solved it, I used just a simple trick of just dividing and manipulating the equation to make it easier and easier. All right, so hopefully you caught on to that. If not, just let me know. But this is definitely a problem you got to make sure you know.